So, do you want to know what I find completely and utterly disrespectful? Is this. So, not only are you turning over a author's books, which guess what? You're being counterproductive because turning over books, actually those books sell more because of that. You're also being disrespectful to every single associate that now has to clean up your mess by turning books over. You're not doing a funny. You're being disrespectful to the people that now have to go back up to that table and flip over the books correctly. Stop giving more work to already hardworking bookstore associates because you don't like someone's books and you think it's funny to turn their books over, okay? Do better.